Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we are discussing about 3.4 exercise. Okay. So, in that, we have stopped the sixth question. Okay. So now I will go through seventh question. Okay. So already you know that from 1 to 70th question. You have to find the inverse by using the elementary row operation or elementary column operation. Okay. In the sense, you have to find the inverse by using the elementary operations. Okay. Yes. 3.4. We have stopped for sixth question. I hope the sixth one is completed. We will go for the seventh one. Okay, students. Solution for seventh question. Seventh one. So let us take the given matrix. Let us take given matrix as A. Solution for seventh one. Okay. So let A equal to matrix 3 1 3 1 5 2. 3 1 5 2. Okay. Yes. Solution for 7. We have to find the inverse by using elementary operations. Okay. That is 3.4 exercise. Yesterday class we have stopped the sixth question. Now I will continue the next part. That is from question number 7. Okay. Yes. See here. So again I will go for elementary row operation, or you can go for elementary column operations. What is your equation? A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. So it is your elementary row operation equation. Okay. So only alteration in this A and in this I. Therefore, what is your A? A is 3 1 5 2. 3 1 5 2 is equals to I matrix. I is 1 0 0 1. Okay, into A. A remains same throughout the procedure. Our work is try to convert this LHS A to I matrix. Our target is convert the LHS matrix A to I matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay. Yes. See here. So ನಮಗ 3 ಇದ್ದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 3 ಇದ್ದು 1 ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು 100% ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು 3/3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಐತಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ 1/3. So in the yesterday class I have already told you, if the fraction is answer, then skip this. Okay. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 1/3 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is the toughest one. Okay. Okay. Yes. So for this I will see here. I will go for this 5. So 5 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? No chance. 1 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? Again no chance. ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? 1 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇದರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2/2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಈ 2 ಕೋನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ? ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಅಪ್ಲೈ R2 changes to R2 minus R1. I have already told you. So which one is easy for you? First go for that one value. ಇದರ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, you have to go for that one. Therefore, what is your new matrix now? 3 1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. 5 minus 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to, simultaneously apply for this side also. R1 remains same. 0 minus 1. 1 minus 0 1 into A matrix. Okay. So yesterday some students have comment madali. They have commented like this. So you can solve the problems by applying the elementary column operations. So ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಬೋತ್ elementary operation as well as elementary column operation. Okay, so ನೀವು simultaneously try ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, no problem. Okay, yes, see here next step. So what is your next operation now? Next step ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, next operation. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂತು, no problem. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 3 ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕಬಹುದಾ ಈಜಿಲಿ? yes, go for it now. 100% 3 ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, yes, apply the next elementary row operation. Go for that one. Next operation, applying, I will change this R1. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ 3 ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. yes, applying R1 changes to R1 minus R2. yes, therefore R1 3 minus 2 1 minus 1, R2 remains same 2 1 is equals to this one. 1 minus R minus 1, this becomes 2, this one minus 1. okay, this remains same minus 1 1 into a. okay, yes, again our work is try to convert this 2 into 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ 1 0 1. yes, ಇವಾಗ our work is to convert this 2 into 0. that's all. yes, again apply the elementary row operation. yes, again this 2 lies in R2. applying R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. yes, then what it becomes, R1 remains same 1 0, this one 2 minus 2 0, this one 1. correct? yes, is equals to, apply simultaneously for this matrix 2 minus 1, this one minus 1 minus 2 into 2, it becomes minus 5, and this one ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು plus 3 ಆಯ್ತಾ? yes, into a. so look here, our target is completed. therefore what is your a inverse now? a inverse is 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. that's all. yes, this completes your a inverse for 7th one. check for the answers. so in the last they have given the answers. exercise 3.4, it is the 7th question. 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. yes, correct, answer is correct. go for 8th question students. 8th question nodri, 8th question, go for solution number 8 one. solution for 8th one. see here, solution for 8th question. let us take the given matrix as a equal to 4 5 3 4 4 5 3 4. yes, yes, so again I will go for elementary operations. applying the elementary operation equation, therefore what is the equation? a is equal to I, it is your elementary row operation. okay, yes, this a, applying this a2 and this I. okay, yes, then what is your a matrix? that is 4 5 3 4. yes, equals to I matrix 1 0 0 1 into a remains same. yes, our target is try to convert this a matrix into I matrix. okay, yes, This is our target. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ 100%. Okay. Therefore 4 is our goal. Easily. Yes. You have that chance. ಅದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು? Applying R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Yes. Correct. This becomes 4 minus 3. Corresponding elements. This one 1 and R2 remains same is equals to this one 1 minus 1 and R2 remains same into A matrix. That's all. Okay. Yes. Again our work is try to convert this 3 into 0. Is it possible? 100%. Okay. Not right. Applying what is your next operation? Applying R2 changes to R2 minus 3R1. Yes. Our target is converting this 3 to 0. Yes. Applying 3 lies in R2. Applying R2 changes to R2 minus 3R1. That's all. Therefore R1 remains same 1 1. R2 first element 3 minus 3. This one 4 minus 3, that is your 1, is equals to R1 remains same 1 minus 1. This one 0 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Second element corresponding element 1 minus 3 into minus 1, it is your 4. Yes. Into A matrix. See here. Therefore again our work is try to convert 1 1 to 0 1 to 1 1. Therefore try to convert this element as 0. Therefore ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕಳೆಯಬೇಕು 100%. Therefore applying R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Therefore what is your new matrix now? 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 and this remains same 0 1. Okay. Is equal to simultaneously for this 1 minus or minus 3, that is plus 3. This one minus 5 4. Yes. Wait. This one 1 minus or minus 3 plus. Okay. Plus 3 plus 1, that is 4. This one minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 and R2 remains same. Okay. Yes. Into E. So once you get the I value, therefore what is your A inverse? A inverse is, that is 4 minus 5 minus 3 4. That's all. Okay. Yes. Go for 9th question. Check for the answer. Again 3.4. 8th question. So answer check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3.4. Check for the answer. 8th one 4 minus 5 minus 3 4. Yes. Correct. Answer is correct. Go for solution number 9. 9th question. Okay. 9th one. So 9th question is So 9th one, solution number 9. 9th question. Let us take the given matrix as A. A is equal to matrix that is 3 10 3 10 2 7 2 7. Okay. So again apply the elementary operation, that is the equation given as A is equal to IA. Only alteration in this A and in this I. It is your elementary row operations. Okay. Try to convert A matrix to I matrix. LHS, that is 3 10 2 7 is equals to I is 1 0 0 1 into A. Try to convert LHS matrix A to I. I is 1 0 0 1. Okay. Yes. Therefore so 3 into 1 ಹೋಗೋದು ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇದು ಕಳೆಯಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore applying R1 changes to R1 minus R2. This becomes 3 minus 2 1 10 minus 7 3. R2 remains same 2 7 is equals to, again apply for this one 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 1 is minus 1. this remains same 0 1 into A matrix. That's all. Okay. Yes. So next step is try to convert this 2 as 0. ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. Go for next step. Applying the next operation. So try to convert that 2 into 0. Okay. Yes. Then what is your next operation? Applying R2 changes to R2 minus 2R. Correct na? Yes. Therefore this becomes R1 remains same 1 3. This one 2 minus 2 into 1 0 aita. This element 1. 7 minus 2 into 3 6. 7 minus 6 that is 1. Simultaneously apply for this one. So R1 R2 R1 remains same 1 minus 1. See here first element corresponding elements this becomes minus 2. This one 1 minus of 2 into minus 1 that is 3 into A matrix. Okay. Yes students. So what is your next target? Next target is try to convert this 3 into 0. Correct? Therefore is it possible? Yes. Applying R1 changes to R1 minus 3R2. Okay. Yes. Therefore this becomes corresponding elements 1 minus this is 1. Corresponding elements 0. R2 remains same. Okay. Yes. Is equal to again apply for this one. This becomes 1 minus 3 into minus 2. 1 plus 6 7. I come to second element. This becomes minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. And R2 remains same minus 2 3 into 8. Therefore once you get the I matrix in the LHS, therefore A inverse is nothing but your 7 minus 10 minus 2 3. That's all. Okay. Yes. It is your solution for 9th question. I will move through 10th question. Okay. 10th one. See here. So 10th question. 10th question. Go for that one. Yes. Solution for 10th question. Solution for 10th. Solution number 10. So let us take your given matrix as A. Let A is equal to 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. Again apply elementary operation. Therefore equation becomes A is equal to I. Okay. Elementary row operation. Alteration in this A and in this I. Therefore I is nothing but 3 minus 1 minus 4 2 is equals to I matrix 1 0 0 1 into A matrix. Try to convert this LHS into I matrix. Therefore try to convert that LHS into I matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay. Yes. See here 3 is new 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 minus 4 into minus 1 ಐತಿ. ಆ minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ next step ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇದು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು 2 ಇದು 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿ. ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಈಜಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore applying R2 changes to R2 plus R1. Correct? Yes. Therefore R1 remains same 3 minus 1 this one minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 this one 1 is equals to 1 0 this one 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 that is into 8. Okay. Yes. Again 1 ಬಂತು ಇದು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿ 100% ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು 100%. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this 3 lies in R1. Therefore R1 changes to R3. R1 changes to R1 plus 2 R2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you will get that value as 1. Therefore go for next step. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, so that is your, so ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ change your r1 changes to r1 plus 2 r2 corresponding elements 3 plus 2 into minus 1 1 ಆಯ್ತಾ. This one minus 1 plus 2 into 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 1 only. Minus 1 plus 2 1. This one minus 1 1. Okay, is equal to simultaneously for this r1 changes to r1 plus 2 r2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, 1 plus 2 3. This element 2, r2 remains same 1 into A matrix. Okay, next step 1 month over 1. Our target is try to convert this r, try to convert this as 0. Okay, yes ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? ಇದು 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, go for that one, no problem. So again r2 changes to r2 plus r1. Yes, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 as it is. This one 0, this one 2 ಬಂತು. Yes, is equal to for this one 3 2, this one 4 3 into A matrix. ಇವಾಗ 0 ಬಂತು 0 ಬಂತು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 2 ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ by 2 ಮಾಡಿ you get 1. Therefore applying r2 changes to 1 by 2 times into r2. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. You can go for any elementary operations. Okay, yes. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ r1 remains same. This one 0 by 2 0, this one 2 by 2 1 is equal to simultaneously for this 3 to this one 4 by 2 to this one 3 by 2. Correct? Into A matrix. A matrix. Okay, yes. Again, what is your next target? 1 0 1 ಬಂತು, ಇದು 1 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, what is the next operation? So applying r1 changes to r1 minus r2. Yes, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, r2 remains same 0 1 is equal to this one 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 3 by 2 1 by 2. Yes, this one 2 3 by 2 into A matrix. Therefore A inverse becomes, once you get the identity, it is your A inverse. A inverse is 1 1 by 2 2 3 by 2. That's all. Check the answer side. 3.4. It is your, so 10th question 3.4. 10th one 1 1 by 2 2 3 by 2. Yes, answer is correct. Okay, yes nodri. So anyhow main our target is try to convert LHS matrix into I matrix. Remember that. So I will move to the 11th question. Go for 11th question. Solution number 11. Solution for 11th question. So let us take A matrix. Let A equal to 2 minus 6 1 minus 2 1 minus 2. Okay, yes. Go for again elementary row operation. A is equal to I. It is your elementary row operation. Okay, alteration in this A and in this I. A matrix is 2 minus 6 1 minus 2. Okay, I matrix is 1 0 0 1 into A remains same throughout the procedure. Try to convert LHS A to I matrix. I is 1 0 0 1. Therefore, ಇದು 2 ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ. Yes, applying R2, sorry, R1 changes to, because 2 lies in R1. R1 changes to R1 minus R2 ordering. Yes, then what is your new matrix? 2 minus 1, 1, minus 6, minus or minus 2, plus 2 8. And it becomes minus 4. And 2 remains same, 1 minus 2. Applying this side also, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus is minus 1. R2 remains same, 0, 1 into A matrix. Okay, yes, next step is, so try to convert this into 0. Yes, therefore applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 100%. Therefore what is your new matrix? This one 1 minus 4 as it is, this one 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus or minus 4 plus 4 is plus 4 minus 2, that is 2 is equals to, applying for this also, R1 remains same, that is 1 minus 1, this side minus 1, this side this element 2 into A. Okay, yes, next target is try to convert this matrix into 0. ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you get that one 0. Okay, yes, therefore R ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು 2 into 1 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ, no problem. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Yes, R minus 4 convert into 0 by applying the elementary operation. Therefore applying the next elementary operation is R1 changes to, na ಇದಕ್ಕೆ into 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. R1 changes to R1 plus 2 times R2. ಯಾಕ 2 into 2 4 ಆಯ್ತು, 4 minus 4 0. Yes, therefore what is the new matrix? 1 ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. Okay, this one 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ, and this remains same, 0 2 is equals to, for this simultaneously there is 1 minus 2 minus 1, this one minus 1 plus 4. Okay, that is plus 3 minus 1 plus 4 2 into R2 remains same, minus 1 2 into A matrix. Again one ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 2 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, therefore try to applying R2 changes to 1 by 2 R2 ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes, therefore this is your 1 0 it is, 0 by 2 is 0, this one 2 by 2 is 1, this side minus 1 3 and minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2, this one 2 by 2 that is 1 into A. Therefore once you get the I matrix in the LHS, therefore what is your A inverse? Therefore A inverse is equal to minus 1 3 minus 1 by 2 1. Yes. Okay students, so thank you. So next class I will solve the next problems.